Hello, good evening everyone. Today we will learn operator in expressions. There are several operators existing in the C sharp like unary positive negative, arithmetic operators such as plus, addition, negative, subtraction, modulus. So how how to we use the operator in C sharp in console application? Open Visual Studio. Here is my first video, increment and decrement operator in expressions. Today we will learn operators in expressions. There are several operators like the positive unary and positive and unary positive and unary negative, arithmetic plus operator, arithmetic subtraction operator, multiplication operator, and division operator. Also we use the modulus operator. There are several operators existing in the C sharp. These types of operator. This plus operator we use add two numbers, also add two text operator. Takes an example, integer a equals to 10, integer b also take some value, integer c equals to a plus b. Here is two operand and one operator. Here is two operand is a and b. These are operand and plus is the operator. If we use third variable here, so b is the third variable. Okay, now we change the third variable d equals to 2. So change here d is the third variable, that is known as operator in expression. If we use more than one operator in expression, known as operator use in expression. Operator evaluate according to the precedence of the operator. So first we evaluate b multiply c, after then add the value of a. So console dot write line, console dot write line holding the output of the c. So here is the output of the c is b multiplied by d, so 40 plus 10 50. Let's do it and check it out. That is known as 50. So if we use the toString if we use operator plus between two strings, look like that, string a1 equals to hello, string b1 equals to word, and take the output in c1 is string c1 equals to a1 plus b1. Here plus is the arithmetic operator and here plus is the concatenation operator. One operator in dual meaning. Just check it out. Yes, here operator is addition of the two numbers, and here operator is used for concatenation operator between the two string. Now check the precedence of the operator. First check the parenthesis. After check the unary positive and negative operator plus and minus. After check multiply and star operator, and then lastly check plus and minus operator. Okay, now thank you very much for the session.